In this video, I will show you how to access Google Bard right now from any country. Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, Google Bard is a ChatGPT competitor from Google, and now you can access it through waitlists in US and UK only. Meanwhile, users outside the US and UK need to wait until Google Bard expands their services to more countries. But if you can't wait, then I will show you how to get early access to Google Bard from any country right now. Before starting the video, I want to tell you that to use Google Bard, you have to meet these criteria. You must have a personal Google account that you manage on your own. You can't use a Google account that's managed by a parent, guardian, or Google Workspace admin. You must be 18 or over. As of the time of this video recording, Google Bard only supports Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Opera, or Edge web browsers. If you meet these criteria, then open your web browser and go to bard.google.com. Make sure you are signed in here. If you are not from the US and UK, you will see a message something like this. Bard is not currently supported in your country, stay tuned. If you see such a message, please don't worry. Just close your web browser. Now you need a VPN. You can use any free VPN service for that. I use my built-in Opera VPN service for this. You can use another VPN service if you want. Please remember, US or UK is selected in your VPN countries list. Now connect to VPN service. After connecting, once again open bard.google.com. Now you will see the Join Waitlist button, just click on it. Check this radio button and click on, Yes, I am in. Now you have been added to the waitlist, and you will receive an email when it's your turn. So friends, in this way, you can join Google Bard's waitlist from any country and use Google Bard first. If this video works for you, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.